Hi everybody, it is Professor Parish, and we are on week 13 of English 122. So I'm going to switch this to student mode. It's going to be a pretty easy week for y'all. So I hope that's okay. But as far as reading, we're ending up our drama section. So we are ending drama this week. Next week, we're going to talk about the final paper. We're going to talk about all of that next week. So I'm going to actually try to get the video out a little bit early next week, maybe on Saturday instead of Sunday, to give you guys time to go ahead and watch that. Because I'm going to be basically, for the final paper, talking mostly in week 14's lecture video all about that final project, that final paper that we're going to work on for the rest of the semester. So this week is just finishing up with drama, doing the drama paper, doing the drama exam. If you watched last week's video, you know that we rounded out our discussion of the chapters in our book on drama. If you've not completed all the assignments for week 12, please make sure you do so by tonight. But let's talk about week 13. So the only reading that you really have to do is I would like for you to skim in the concise handbook for Cengage, summarizing, paraphrasing, and quoting sources on pages 389 to 397. It's got some good tips on how to not just do direct quotations from sources, because in this class and your other college courses too, it's not enough just to copy and paste from a source. And you can't do that over and over again, because then it gets repetitive and your instructor will start to question whether you're plagiarizing or not. So the Cengage handbook is a really nice little section here about how to paraphrase, write things in your own words, and make quotations work for a research essay. So if you haven't read this section in English 121, I highly recommend that you go back and check out. It's only 8 pages, so it's not anything crazy, but I would check out that section this week when you get your other assignments done, just kind of as a nice prep to get ready before we talk about week 14 next week. But the only things due this week, obviously paper 3 is due by Sunday, November 15th. Make sure that you submit that paper to the Dropbox. You will get a chance to revise your drama paper, so make sure that you do get it turned in. If you don't submit it by November 15th, you will not get a chance to revise it. The drama exam is also due Sunday, November 15th. It's set up exactly the same way as our other exams for poetry and for prose. I'll just look at it here real quick. Once you click start the exam, you'll notice it's only 4 questions. There are a lot of points dedicated to these 4 questions. The first couple of questions are open-ended, and then you have matching at the end. Please note on the matching, make sure to look in your book, because the answers are going to be very close between some of them, so you may have to use your book to see exactly what the answer is. But yeah, there's only 4 questions. 3 of them are short answer, 1 is matching. Obviously, the matching one's worth 16 points. It's worth the most, but your 3 essay parts are worth some as well. So it's not timed. You have all the time in the world this week to do it. If you want to go ahead and get it done, you can. But if you use your PowerPoints in our resource handouts and your textbook, you should be fine. But yeah, it's just 4 questions out of 25 points. It's probably our easiest exam that we do in this class, but that one is due by Sunday as well. And then the discussion forum is the last assignment. Your posts are due by Friday the 13th. Your responses are due by Sunday the 15th. Just going ahead and looking at week 13. This is kind of just an open-ended discussion forum this week. I'm just curious. We're rounding out drama, so I want to know which term from the ancient Greek tragedy section in our textbook do you think we see the most often being used in plays? Is it deus ex machina? Is it chorus? Is it what term do you think is used most often, and why? In modern plays, which Shakespearean term do you think we use most? Is it colossal protagonist? Is it stage business? What do you think it is? And then I would like you to pick one of the American dramas in our textbook and explain to me, kind of like what we did in our reading response, but explain if it was written during Shakespeare's time or ancient Greece, how would it be different? So if Death of a Salesman was written during Shakespearean times, how would it be different? I think this question's a lot of fun because it's creative, and all of you in past semesters, all the students have picked different plays and different genres and shown how it will convert, and it's been really interesting and creative to see what all you come up with. So I like that question a lot. I'm really excited for you all to answer it. And then finally, of the three genres, Greek tragedy, Shakespeare, or American drama, which did you like the best and why? So I just want to know your opinion on that. Why did you like the genre that you did? What did you like about it? But this is a pretty open-ended, your opinion discussion forum. And I like these because I feel like we get a lot of different answers, and it gives us all as classmates a chance to really hone in and discuss in depth and create a dialogue for this discussion forum. So I'm really excited to see what you all come up with. But that's it for this week. Just do the drama exam, turn in your drama paper, and then this discussion forum. And then next week, like I said, don't work ahead on week 14 yet. Let me post next Saturday the video on the lecture video for week 14 because there's gonna be some things to talk about. And so I want to make sure that you all get to watch that video and understand going into the final paper what to expect. So with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Please stay safe. Take care. We'll talk about Thanksgiving and other things too next week. But in the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Stay safe and take care. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And I'll talk to you all again very soon.